Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, I know, but I've been kind of uninspired on the YouTube content lately, so I haven't really been posting. I think my last video was like a month ago or something like that. Anyway, I just wanted to do an updated homeschool room tour for this year. Not much has changed between this year and last year, honestly. It's just a few minor things, but I thought I would show you guys nonetheless. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. All right, so let's start over here. So last year, if you remember, the couch was actually this way, and then I had that wall kind of open. However, the boys were jumping off the back end of the couch repeatedly and kept going until someone got hurt. So my husband and I decided to just put it against the wall so that way no one else can be jumping off of it and get injured. I haven't found anything cute enough yet to like post up there behind all of that yucky brick. So right now that's just what it looks like. The stool is there for my coffee when we're doing read alouds. This is the baby's official play area on the days that she wakes up early and has to come down here with us. And then still over there is the boys' play area, and they actually got that little rocket ship as a Christmas gift. So that is down here as well. Pan over to the bookcase. Not much has changed over here except we've added more books, which is always exciting. And we have our volcano there that we made from last year that the boys weren't willing to part with yet. So I added that to the bookshelf. We also got these books too, which are nice. So they're called Alpha Tales. So every week we change this book out and read it in addition to all the other books we got. So that's nice as well. And then we also got these, the Junie B. Jones books. I used to love those books as a kid, and all of them were in one of like the free book houses we have throughout Chicago. There's a bunch of them, so you can take books from it, put books in, all of that jazz. So we took those books from there because I absolutely loved Junie B. Jones as a kid. And then the bean bags have just been moved from there to here, obviously because I need to be able to see the baby if she's on the ground. So I just kind of moved them to the side so that way they're more out of the way, and that's kind of the first view of the, I guess like the book area, you can say. And then over here, basically everything's the same. We've added a few things like my beautiful globe. But there's our chalkboard, my chair, our record player. And then I made this little sign in Canva. Isn't it adorbs? I love it. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I'm gonna get a frame for it and then have my husband drill it into the wall. But until then, I just have it with like poster tacky putty. Poster putty, there we go. Poster putty is what I have it on the wall with for now. But I just thought it was so cute to add to there. Today is officially the first day of fall, so I have an autumn sign that I'm gonna hang kind of like right there once I get that situated and printed out and stuff. Then over here we have our planets. We have our globe that my mother-in-law got for us, which was very exciting. And then our abacus. And then this is just, we're doing the Good and the Beautiful curriculum, but I didn't order the books. I just print it off every week. So I keep them in here, and then I have my son's, clipboard here. So I just grab the ones that we need for the day, put them on the clipboard for both the language arts and the math. And then when we're done with them, I just put them back in here until I come up with the different storage methods, or if I want to toss them, or I don't know yet. So for right now, they're staying in there. And then over here is where things have gotten a little more colorful, as you can see. Okay, so over here, I printed this off from the internet. Since if you guys haven't watched any of my other homeschooling videos, we are teaching our sons Arabic and Spanish because I am Puerto Rican and my husband is Middle Eastern. So they are learning both Spanish and Arabic, so I have that there. And then this was actually in one of his, one of their handwriting books that I got last year. I actually found this in there, so I just decided to laminate it and hang it up to the wall. It's the Arabic alphabet. And then the United States of America, I printed this off from, I think I got it from Etsy, if I'm not mistaken. But I just thought the watercolors were very cute, so I kind of liked it. And then these two I made for myself. I made in Canva. So it's days of the week, días de la semana, so English and Spanish. And then months of the year, again, English and Spanish. Very basic, nothing crazy. But I do like that it's adding more coverage to this wall that I don't like at all. Our world map, and then some sight word posters. And then I printed this off from the Good and the Beautiful math curriculum that my kindergartner is doing. It's just a 100 chart, so that way he could visually see it. So this here is our morning basket. I've talked about it a few times, but just to quickly run through, we have our music is the Gentle and Classical Art and Music Pack Preschool. So it goes over Van Gogh, Matisse, and Da Vinci for artists, and then Peter and the Wolf for the music. So we have the Peter and the Wolf here. We have Me and My Amazing Body, which we haven't really started getting into yet. And this is just another Peter and the Wolf. And then our letter for this past week was Tea. So I have all of our tea books, The Tiny Seed, Three Little Pigs, I Wish I Was a Sea Turtle, Yertle the Turtle, Trains, and then When Tilly Turtle Came to Tea. We don't read all of these books every single day. We kind of like flip-flop in between them, so don't think I'm doing all of this in one sitting. And then our poem book for our poetry book for the year, we read one poem a week, and then their morning binders but like I said, I've talked about those things before, so I'm not going too in-depth into those. And this is just where I keep my binder. So it's our homeschool plans, and then it's also their attendance chart, and all of that jazz. Utensils, nothing fancy. This is our craft cart. So I have like their paints, their popsicle sticks, their googly eyes, tape, construction paper, all of that stuff. It is all in here. And then this is just a random of stuff. Their Play-Doh that they use every day is in here. Just notebook paper, my laminator, and then this is our clock stuff. My oldest is learning how to read a clock. And then this is just our extra curriculum here. And then this is poetry that we were, or not poetry. This was our curriculum from last year. I haven't gotten rid of it yet, so it's just sitting in there. So these are flashcards. So English, or not English, Spanish ones. So we pick one for every letter of the week. And then these are, if you can guess it, Arabic ones. So again, I pick whatever letter we're going with for the week, and then go over that with them. So they have, I usually have, or I ask them to name me a few things that start with the letter in English, and then they'll also have something to name in Spanish and in Arabic that start with the letter of the week as well. So up here is our paintings that I've been hanging up. So this is the one we just did this week. We're alternating between music and art. So art one week, music the next. So we've done the Cafe Terrace at Night, which is what these guys are here. It's my youngest, my oldest, and then mine, the recreation of it. And then yesterday we did the sunflowers one, which was super fun. So there's that. This is just tissue paper that I stacked on top of each other and cut into terrible looking circles. Glued it on top of each other, glued it on the paper, and then traced like a little vase and tabletop for them to do. I think my youngest did very well. He was very proud of it. So yeah, this is where we're just gonna be taking turns displaying our different art creations for the week. And this is probably my favorite wall, just because it's so colorful and fun. And that's it, guys, for a little homeschool room tour. I hope you liked it. Hopefully I get some inspiration going forward with more YouTube videos for you guys, so I don't have to be as MIA. But until then, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.